Hey everyone, welcome back to Nailmas Day 16, believe it or not. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fun little silver bells nail art look using Glisten and Glow's Jackfrost and Jingle bells. This was day one from the Advent box, and it is a lovely cream that has a really nice golden shimmer and some various micro glitters and some flakies. It's about a two-coater that you guys would have already seen possibly in my swatch video reveal unboxing reveal of the 12-day Advent box. So like I said, we're going to do 2 coats of this, then it is going to completely dry, and then we're going to add on the nail art. For all of the art, like usual, I'm using acrylic paint, and first up we are going in with black acrylic paint, and I'm going to be putting a line down to about the middle of my nail, and then we're going to start making almost like an ornament shape, so basically round, and that is going to start our silver bell. And I just found black to be a really great outline and great for creating the outline of the actual bell, as you guys will see later on. Now I'm going to be filling that whole area in with a very light gray that I mixed with white and gray acrylic paint. And once that is done, I'm going to deepen that same color that I've already made, and I just want it to be a few little shades darker because we're going to use that to kind of just put some shading on the edge of the bell to give it a bit more shape and depth and all that good stuff. And I'm even going to take a darker line all the way across the bell, because when you look at some, they kind of have like this rim around the edge, and that is what we are creating at this little section. And I'm actually going to outline it in black. I'm not going to completely outline it. We're going to kind of have like some sketchy like lines to just give it a more realistic look, if that makes any sense. And I want to curve out the edges and go over my original lines to kind of, just like I said, give it a little bit more detail and texture. Now after that is done, I'm going in with the same black, and I'm putting 2 lines towards the bottom that are curved, and then I'm going to put some dots over the top of that, which gives you like your final silver bell like appearance. After that, I'm going in with a mossy green and kind of just creating like Christmas tree branches at the top of my nail. There is no precise way to do this. I am literally just kind of blobbing the paint on in spots and giving it a very textured, unplanned feel, because I mean, a Christmas tree is like that, right? And like I said, I'm using a mossy green, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with some brown as well to kind of give you some branch definition. You don't have to do this step. I just felt like it added a little something. And then it's time to put on your favorite top coat. Today I actually used the Glisten and Glow matte top coat because I felt like a matte look to this would just be super fun. And there it is. Here is your final look at the design, which I really did enjoy. As you can see, the matte is still drying down, and I just think it is beautiful. It is super fun, very festive without being too much, which apparently has been like a theme that I've been doing this Nailmas, which I'm actually really enjoying. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching Nailmas Day 14. If you haven't already, be sure to keep your eye out on Instagram today, because there will be an exciting announcement and information coming out about something that is happening tonight. So you want to stay tuned. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye!